Hello viewers, today I'm going to tell you about how to create a project in Spring Boot and how to run our project in IDE. It is a Spring Boot IDE or Spring Boot SPS IDE or Eclipse IDE. Before that, we need to just go to a web browser that called Spring Initializer. We need to click the first website, and here we see so many options are there. We can build our project by using these languages Java, Kotlin, Groovy, and our project may be a Groovy type, a Gradle Kotlin type, or Maven type. And we need to select our Spring Boot version. It is a standard version. These versions are in still updation and it is working. If you are dealing with the Java, then as usually select this Java language. And Maven is every software industry and it is a famous, so that's why I choose a Maven dependency, Maven project. And here we need to uh, give our project group ka name. Group means we are seeing so many websites, google.com and youtube.com. That's why we need to give our group ka name. I giving my name as a group name. Then after simply we need to artifact ka name. It either it may be um I am giving my name. I am promoting my name everywhere. I am giving my name as my project name. Then after, if you want to give the description about your project, I am giving. I am giving a description for my project. Here we can see our package name is uh, group name, which is followed by the artifact ID. That means here we can see com.venu is my group name, and then Venu Spring is my artifact name. That means name of the my project. Here we have two types of packaging. One is jar and another one is var. In our Spring Boot, we are dealing with the jar files, jar packaging type. That's why I'm choosing here. Here another one. Right now, the Java released Java 23 JDK version. Some of may use 21 and some of may use 17. I choosing the stable version 17. Here it is a very great section is available. If we are dealing with the some kind of project type, we may need to have dependencies based on our request. Instead of we are creating a manually dependencies, Spring give our dependencies. Now I need to Spring based dependencies to my project. Then you simply click on the generating. You need to go to um sorry it's I am downloading in my download folder. So it's downloading. After it downloading, we need to unzip that file. Simply go to that folder, extract. Let me wait for a minute. Okay, this is my folder. I have created that Spring Boot application. Plus, I need to extract that folder. It's extracted solely. I am deleting the old zip file because it give conflicts to us. And this is my project. We whatever we have created by using this Spring initializer. So for running our project, we need to have an IDE. Some of may use Eclipse IDE, some of may use Spring IDE. I need to know about how to install this Spring IDE. Just go to this. I already downloaded it. Just go to this website. Spring STS download. Everyone may know how it's what is it where it is. We can go to the Google and search for the tool. Here simply we can choose whatever operating system we are dealing with. Then automatically we download it. Some of me use Linux based operating systems. I am choosing because I am dealing with the Windows. I am downloading this. Then after it will become here and everything is same as usual. So because I already have a Spring Boot tool system in my system. So simply I am going there. This is my old project. Let me close this project. Um, okay, wait. Okay. Come to the my. We need to open file. Open project file from. Okay, let me wait. Don't be confused. Go to this file structure. Open project from file system. Just click on this directory. We have downloaded our project in downloads and unzipped our project name contained Venus Spring. We need to select. This is my project. Simply select folder. Wait for the mail. It is downloading. It is loading. Let's finish this. Yeah, we successfully get our file here. These are the Spring, Venus Spring my project. These are the Java folder. Let you see it here. Whatever my group name that is here, and my artifact ID is followed by that group name. This is the package name. Let you know everything. Spring Boot, mainly Spring Boot application is started from here only. Whatever, wherever we write code, whatever we write code, but Spring actually works from here. It is followed by the at the Spring Boot application. Everyone knows Java is right, mainly running with the main method. Now, I'm not going to teach about this from upcoming sessions, so I will definitely clearly explain about these annotations, so how the Spring Boot application is going to work. So now, without having a simple knowledge, we need to run our application and testing our application is our main criteria. Let's see. Here is the main folder prom.xml. This is the key point and this is the connector developer to the outer resources. Just like if we need to add some of dependencies or jar files to our project, we simply go to this place and we need to come to this place and add dependencies based on our request. Spring Boot automatically give by default those dependencies to us. Sometimes we need to add external libraries. That's why we need to add. But now the question is where we get the dependencies and where how can we add this? Simply go to this Maven, Maven repository website name, and come to here and search whatever you want. In my previous projects, if you want to add MySQL dependencies to our project, Spring Boot automatically give. But we need to add, if we need to add, simply come to here and copy and go to our dependencies. Let's see, let me observe carefully. We need to add dependencies under the dependencies structure, and we need to add whatever we copied from the web browser. We need to paste simply here. Control Shift F is the keyboard for structuring the alignment. Let's see. Here is the this is the dependency for MSQL. Simply save. That's it. So we need to whenever we need to run the project, click on the project, right click on the project on as Java build. First we need to clean our project. This is the basic approach to clean our project. Whatever the we updated dependencies in our home product XML and some other modification in Java code. Next, whenever we need to create a jar file it means we can simply by using that jar file we can easily run our program everywhere. Simply like let me explain. Like we have imported this MySQL jar file from another page. Simply that's why we can call that jar file to our project and add whatever the performance we can do on the jar file. So that's why we need to create here is a JDE giving a Spring Boot giving an advice to override manage version and this don't need to add version because sometimes project may work for years. At that time there are so many new versions that will come. That's why programmers and developers need to maintain those versions daily and I update frequently based on the version changes. That's why I removed that version name by IDE suggestion. For creating a jar file and building your package, please go to the same structure, clean package. Let's see, it's running. Wait. Let's wait. First it's building performance and all and deleting the whatever the previous jar files which is present in this. It is my project location and it is whatever the target jar files coming, they are placed in this target file and it is deleting the target files jar files and copying the resources, recompiling, skipping non-existing Spring application is building. Hey, you can avoid this warning and ignore these warnings. We will definitely later rectify these warnings by adding some modifications. Let's see. Um, Here my jar file is built. Venus Spring version 0.00 version snapshot.jar. These are present in my target folders. Let you see where is target folders here. Okay, I need to refresh my project. Yeah, I got it. This is my target folder. Here you can simply see these are my jar files which I built by using web just now completed by using the command clean package. Now the question, how to run our project? The project running our project, we need to give simply give spring hyphen boot or colon run. But this is not basic good approach. That's why every time we're dealing with the running operation, we need to clean our project. That's give you common sense. That's why I'm running. It's still running, deleting the target files and copying, running. Some of my systems may take time because if we run this application first time, yeah, my system successfully ran. Let's just see here. Tomcat started on port 8080. Let me give where is 8080 Chrome. Now I am opening in Chrome browser. Yeah, localhost. Okay, HTTP localhost. This is my previous application. Let's see. My project is our project is running on the server. Here is these are the after calling that server we get this. Now we have to go to SS main folder thing. Now I'm going to create a new class. Now I'm going to create a new class. Sorry. In that resources our static folder is there. For project okay, HTML folder or else XML. No, it is not there. Wait a minute. Okay, just now clear once. Our program is running in this port. What happens if I run the same program again by using the Spring Boot, Spring Hyphen Boot column run? Let me know who don't know what happens when we run again the project while we another project is running. So you need to come here and observe application where it is. Okay. Application failed to start build failure. Let me figure out and testing where the happens. Error started application context mapping. Application failed to start because web server failed to start. Port 8080 was already in use. Let's come here and whatever we are running requests are still in background running. Let, this is our first request, which is running on 8080. Now again we are running our project in this same port number. It doesn't have a sense. Whenever we're dealing, we can only occupy one port at a time at a service in a machine. That's why we cannot call that port again already. That's why we web server fetch start port 8080 world already in use. So uh, whenever we got our server is in port is already used, we have two ways. First one is creating a new port or otherwise killing the old port and using that same port again. That's why I'm going to here where it is. It is still, it's not there. Oh, okay, I selected first one. I think I need to second. Ah, yeah, I got it. I need to kill the first one. First one, go to there and simply click on this red button. Our first running statement is also stop. Second one is already stopped. Yeah. Now again we need to go. I am clearing this console. Now I am second. Wait a minute. Now I am going to our project on the same by using the clean. Wow, we haven't done any operations on our project .format.xml by changing these queries. So that's why we don't need to always clean the package. If we do, then we can clean our package and packaging that. So simply I'm calling running spring hyphen boot colon run. Then our spring is running successfully. So let's see, let me see. It's running, it's being running, still working. It's successfully built. I think it's successful. Oh, okay, it's coming. Tomcat server started on port 80804 because we are dealing with the only one server, not the multiple on a single port. That's why it came. Let me know. Here, Spring Boot has a special feature application.properties. Here, whatever the would configures the our ID and our project, that we can simply changes or modify as those things in this application.properties. Now I need to change port server.port. I think this is the query. Yeah, port is equal to, I need to give 8081 and I am saving this application. Now coming to our main, let me see here, observe one application is running. I mean, our program is running in 8080. Now again, I am going to run, sorry, first we need to clean package. Sometimes we may get to conflicts because we change the properties now. Otherwise, now again, I am going to build our project. Oh, clean spring. Hyphen boot from simply calling it's running, scanning for the resources, running. Let's see. Here our Tomcat started on port 80801 with the content for HTTP. Why would not get the error? Because we already running our previous running statement on 8080. And again we are running because we changed, okay, wait, we changed our properties and default server port to 8081. And if again running the same project on the same port, let me clean a spring hyphen boot run. It's again loading. It's being working for our output, our clarification. So now we conclude that here. Let me, I am dragging this for our convenient. Let's see here. Build this page because why it is happened. It is simply given the description why it is happened. Web server failed to store port 808081 was already in use. Let's come here and drop down this. We already know first one is running on 8080 and second one is running on 8081 by changing the server port name. And again we are starting our project running on the running on this port. That's why there is no common sense by using multiple running and programming requests to a same port. That's why it is skipping. We have a choice. We need to kill those services by clicking on this terminate button, and again we need to change our service and terminate this. And we are killed of all these three services by it is terminated, terminated, terminated. Now again, if we click on this, I think there is no active servers which is acting on any port. That's why you can call spring boot run. I think it is works. Let's see what happened. Okay, it's deleting world path files and see. Let's see. Here is the mystery. Yeah, we get that port. Tom Quitzer started on port 8081 because we already killed all the previous services which are acting on port 8081 and 8080. Whenever we are running our new services on the port, it will automatically go to the place, occupy that port number and running. Yeah, that's it. Without even knowing the single, you simply here see our service is running on 8081 port. Let me open a browser. Let me open Chrome browser. Let's check localhost http http colon slash slash. We are running on localhost. That's why I'm choosing localhost colon port number. We selected port number 8081. That's why I am giving port number 8081. After clicking on enter, we haven't get any web page here because our project doesn't have any file which is called by slash proc. So we need to add a file, HTML file. Let's name it as welcome. Sorry, index.html. It is a default file. Let's simply call hi. Sorry, h1 tag, h1 tag. Then after hi, welcome Venu. I used my name as save, and again I need to run. I need to check whether this is working or not. Now, if I click index.html, yes, it is working. So let me explain how the process is, how our Spring Boot application is working. Whenever we are running, clicking on the run, the main method is working. Our program is running from the Spring Boot application, and after it is going to running on Tom code started on port 8080. I am calling that link in our browser. It is calling hi, welcome, Venu. Again, if there is some another more a dev tool which is helpful, very helpful to the developers by auto. It is here we are always if we do any modification in our program, we need to save and we need to save and clean again running by using clean come clean and packaging. After packaging, we need to again spray, do colon run. It is a big process and we don't need to call again and again, run those blah blah stuff. That's why we simply go to this and click here and run this. Here is another option. It is by clicking this, simply we can still run our program. It is running based on previous running statement. I ran our program, but here I got an error because 808.14.081 was already in use. When it happens, it is a big mystery. Yeah, here come to this, whatever the servers which are working on our port, our local host, we already, oh yes, previous one is not deleted or terminated. So that's why both are terminated. No, no one service is active in my local host. Just now I'm going to there and run and choose the same option. Let me see whether it is working or not. Yeah, it's work because we closed that previously working services on the Sport 801. Yeah, it's working. This is for today video. Further upcoming videos, we will discuss more about how the Spring Boot application is working and how the API call request and how to test by using these Postman services, Postman software. We can test these APIs by using this Postman. So let me see in further upcoming videos. Thank you for bye bye.